So guys, if you're creating a CNC pattern like this in a SketchUp, that will totally annoy you because you have to draw lines at multiple angles and at random size and length. So here I've generated one plugin that will help you to create this kind of pattern very easily, just in a one click. So first you have to select any pattern type like CNC, wave or a free mesh, and every parameter is completely controllable. Here you can see every changes is visible on UI. So when you will click on a sketch in a SketchUp option, generate in SketchUp option, it will produce the same result that is visible on a UI. Okay, so you can control the width and height of the CNC jolly, the board, and the random control and the line count. After that, here you have to click on a generate a SketchUp option, and it will generate exactly what you want. So this plugin is completely free of cost, guys. Here just I've created this plugin for my users, my subscriber. Okay, so just you have to visit in the description. There is a link that you can download, and for more tutorial just subscribe my channel to get more plugins and new things like that.